Hey you guys, this is Lori at TMI. I'm going to make a bow for this banner that we had custom made. This is our spring banner, and you've seen us show this a couple of times, but the lady's going to do some highlighting on this that's custom doing this. This banner is $7.95 for this banner. It's a really large banner. And then we took the other side of it and she custom put on there this piece right here for 4th of July. So since we're past spring, which we're going to use it for spring, during our spring months and Easter time, and then on this side we're going to use it for 4th of July. It's a great door piece or a wall piece, or if you're having any kind of like function at your house or a big 4th of July party, or just putting it on your door. And you cannot see through it, you can't see to the other side when you actually put it up on your door. So I'm gonna make a bow for this today. So I'm gonna grab some patriotic ribbon and make a bow for it. Dovetail the end, and I like lots of layers, but with this being a banner, I'm gonna do a little bit of a shorter ribbons here because we don't want to hang down and cover up the land of the free here. So I'm gonna do a little bit shorter, and you can always go to the side of this. So we'll just kind of play with it and see, but I want to make my tails just a little bit shorter on this. So I'm just gonna make me a couple of loops. And we all like big bows, so I want some loops at the top, or some tails at the top. So I'm just cutting that and gonna add a little bit more on it. Gives it just a little bit more dimension, and it gives it a little something at the top of it. Okay. Come in with this white. We're going to do the same here. I'm going to get a couple of loops and some tails on it. We want several little tails here. Maybe a longer one at the top. Maybe just one little loop on this side. And now I'm going to come through with this 1.5 inch. I really like this. It's almost got like that denim blue on the back of it. I mean, on the base of it. So like this cotton denim blue color. And then we have these fireworks in it. So it has a little bit of a star in the middle, and then it just got the firework popping out. This gives it a good little contrast here. We want good tails on this one. A good 1.5 inch is always a good thing to use. Want these tails just to be or these loops to be just a little smaller. Let's go up to the top of this one. One more in there on this. Let's go to the top again. Then we might make this one just one loop here on the top, and maybe make this one just a little bit longer on the tail. Dovetail my end right here on this. Let's go to the top again. Then we might make this one just one loop here on the top, and maybe make this one just a little bit longer on the tail. Dovetail my end right here. And then we're going to dovetail this one as well. Always go back and clean those ends up. Sometimes I forget and I'll get it hung up, and then I'll see. I'll get my dovetail on there. Dovetail this one. You can always do this after you get it zip tied on there. Okay. I am going to use a zip tie on this one right here. Get this zip tied, I'm going to attach it to it. There is our bow. I think I'll get this hung on the door, and then I'll know whether I want to put it on the very top of it or on the side of it. And it has these little green tips because of the spring side, but we're going to paint those white. Hope you love this. All of these items can be purchased at tmigifts.com.